Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. On this video you're basically going to see me changing some ball joints out on my A-arms on the black truck, the Z71 Silverado that was lifted before. You're going to see me changing out the ball joints. The ball joints were like super shot. I mean, when you'd hold it, they'd do like this number. That's how shot they were. I mean, that's the issues you have with bad roads and oversized wheels. You know, because those, I had like 1250s, you know, wide tire on there, and that's a lot on those poor little, which they were probably factory ball joints still. I mean, this truck is getting around 170,000 miles, and all that stuff on it's probably never been changed. So it is original equipment, so it definitely got its miles out of it. But I went ahead and changed them all out. I got a press, which I already had. This is actually really the first time I got to use the press, so you're gonna see that in this video of me actually attempting these A-arms, which it really wasn't too bad, but without that press, I don't think I could have tackled them. Now, the ones that I did on this C1500, the General, the top ones are easy. They're bolt in. You know, you bust out the old rivets from the factory, and then it comes with new bolts. They're easy. Now, the lower ones, they were a real pain for me because at that time I didn't have a press, and I was trying to use that little tool from Harbor Freight with the whole clamp, and I don't know, that thing is super hard to use because there's too many parts moving and going on, and you're trying to crank it, and I just didn't have much luck. But with this press that I got from Harbor Freight a while back, it really made the difference. So that's what this video will entail, is just me changing out the A-arms. And then we'll go from there, and I'll show you in the next couple of videos where we're at on the Z71. So keep watching. Alright, so in that video you seen me changing out the ball joints. I tried to get the best angle at it I could. Some of the footage was, it was the first time me trying it, so it kind of like all over the place. And this is not in any way a tutorial, this is just how I did it. I gotta make that clear out there because I keep getting these hate comments about your video sucked, it didn't help me out in any way. Well, I'm not really making videos here to help you out in any way or form or lead you down an instructional path of notes. This is basically just a video log for the channel of what I'm actually doing on these vehicles, and if it helps you out a little bit, then that's all fine and dandy. Now, if I do label the video the do it yourself or an instructional video, then yeah, I'll make more clear directions of exactly how to do it. But normally I don't get into those because there's just too many people out here that want to blast you on all that stuff. So I'm just doing a vlog on driven by gears stuff that I do in the garage or outside of the garage. That's what this is about. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.